Hello there, I am Mohammad Sachi, and this is another tutorial modeling in 3ds Max 2013, but you can use any version of the 3ds Max software. In this tutorial, I will try to make this model, this column. This is simple, but modeling way that I will use in this tutorial. It's very useful for you, and you can use it for making many things and many objects in different scene. So have good attention. Okay, in 3ds Max 2013, I just want to add my reference in background of the viewport here, front viewport. I click Alt W, or you can use maximum viewport toggle K from here. Okay. I click on Alt B button, Alt B, and then in this window, viewport configuration, background tab, select use files, and then click on files. I just copy the path of my file here. Click on files and open your reference here, and click on the match bitmap to keep aspect ratio, and then click on lock zoom pan. Okay, if you don't click, don't check this lock zoom pan, when you pan your report, your reference is fixed, and it's not good for us in this tutorial, in this work. And when I click on the lock zoom pan, then when I pan the viewport, it will pan too. Okay, just add again. Okay, it's good. I click on G to hide a grid. Okay, and let's go. For reference, when you want to use a reference, try to make a white background to black. In this tutorial, I don't do it, but try to do it black. Let I show you. I think it is better. I use Photoshop, or you can use any image editor software to do it. Because when I want to use shapes, when I want to use shapes in the 3ds Max, from here, create shapes panel, line is white, and you can't find it good and make it hard for you. So if you change the background, it will become better. I use Adobe Photoshop software, CS6 version, and just try to make white part to black. You can click on the magic wand or click WK and select black color, and here we go. It's so easy. I just click on the bucket and left click, and it's changed to black, and I save it again to my reference. I just save in another file to better reference. Okay, it was so easy, but will help. What we have very helpful for you. So attend to this. Okay, I changed my reference to this file. Okay, there we go. It's become so better look. Yeah. Okay. This part is cube, so I just start from here. I want to make this part use Lathe modifier. That's Lathe modifier is very interesting. The modifier that I can say to you. I just start from here. It's not important to make it very exactly, or just it be similar. It's enough. I just start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here we go. I click I button to change my zoom size. Another vertex. Okay. You can attend to details, but I just want make it fastly and show main way, so we'll not attend to the details. Okay, it's good. Now I want to edit it and make the vertexes better and smoother and make similar to the reference. I click on the one button on the keyboard, or you can go into Modify panel and select vertex level from here or here. Okay, I just click on the. I just select these vertexes. This, yeah, good to go, and ignore it. And use fillet here. Fillet, make it smooth. Okay, I don't attend to the details, but if you want, you can attend more to the details. For example, I can select these vertexes and right-click on this and select corner and change the status of these vertexes to corner and make it harder. Okay. There we go. I delete this and check to smooth to save to make lower vertices. Okay, here, good. And for this part, okay, and this, yeah, here. I just attempt to make it good. Okay. I don't will attend to the reference. That's enough because I just try to make attention to the top part, and of course it must be in the one way. Okay, I just try. It's my fail. Okay. Not bad. Good. Okay, and again I use fillet for here, and here. Fillet. I will use fillet for this part, these vertices, and for these we'll do it separately. Okay, good. It's enough. I don't want to work more on it. It's good for me. And now I want to lathe it. Going to Modify panel and from Modifier list and select Lathe Modifier, or click on the L to find it and click Lathe. Okay, Lathe, and then in the Lathe parameters in the align part, click on Mean to finalize our model. Click on axis from here and move to x-axis to see this result. Yeah, good. Okay, so easy. This work is this way is so easy, but very interesting. Okay. No. The main part or center part become finished. Of course, we will then we'll attach to the details and make it. I make it yes. There we go. Some change and but okay. Now I want to make this part. I easily will use box from here and make box and okay. It might be width and height might be have some parameters, so I copy it for here and here. Okay. Just move it here. I change my repositories to the shaded. Okay. Now I want to work on details of this part. I want to put it center of this part. You can, for line, use a line button or click on Alt A button. I click on it and I want to make it center in X and Y position, center, center, okay, and it's going to center of the column. Now, if you attend to the reference, there is smoothly here, 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 and here is smoothly. I just try. Don't worry that how can I do it. It's so easy. Yeah, it's so easy. I will right click on when the box is selected, right click on it and convert it to poly and click one or select vertex status, select all of the vertices and then click on chamfer. Click on chamfer and run it. Yeah, yes. In this tutorial, I just want to try to make this model fastly and easily, and we want, as I said before, and always I said, I want to just try, just enjoy from our modeling. So I want to learn you fastest way. So I didn't like to use mesh smooth here. So I try to make it smoothly, more smoothly with these tools, and it's enough for me. You know, for example, if you want to work more on it, I just select this edges too. I also use chamfer for in edge level to make edge also smoothly. Okay, it's good. I don't. It's good. I think it's good, and it's enough. Okay, it's enough. And no, I want to work in this part. I click on Alt Q, that it will hide unselected objects. Very useful. You can click on this button also. It's called Easily Selection Toggle. And now I click here and will use slate to here. Okay, and click one button again to go into vertexes mode, and it's doing here. And select these edges. Okay, and connect to two parts. Okay. Okay. And click on this part for make it smooth. I will use again chamfer. If you increase this part, connection edge segments, it will become smooth, more smooth. Okay, but attention that always must use low value. Don't try to increase it because it will get your graphic card memory. Okay, good. It's good for me, and it's enough. I don't want more work on it, and don't want to use mesh smooth, tessellate, relax, or something like that. It's enough for me because it would and will be interest to make it a little harder. Okay, it's good. I think it's good. When we will add material, we will not. I just want have this happen here because I like it. Or you can bring it. Okay, I like it. When you add material, it will become more interest part of your work. Okay. I want to say again that in this tutorial I just learn you easy way, not advanced modeling. Okay, advanced modeling we must attend to all of the details, and it's not good way for modeling this part. But I just speak about the amateur modeling and also may for intermediate and for newbie. This tutorial is for them. Okay, it's good. No, the main body is finished. Now I want to work on the details of the body, column body. That is so interesting work. There is some way in easy mode to describe to you. I want to describe to you some different way. I will copy it. I hold Shift K and move it, and then column option windows will appear. I move it here, and for have backup of for a model, I increase the value of segments in the lathe to make it smooth. Attend that this this value must be even, because it we want this part is amount 10 2 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, so click on 36 is good for me, and convert it to poly and select like this, just both sidely polygon, and then after 1 2 again 2, do it to complete. Here, here. Just try to enjoy your modeling. It's not important that how much exactly that you work. Of course, in amateur level or intermediate level, just try to enjoy. Okay. I use slice plane. This is my slice plane. Click on A or on E button to select rotate, and click and angle snap toggle to make it easily, and I rotate it to 90 degree and move it here, slice, and here, slice. Okay, because we have a space from upper and down of the work. So it's bottom and it's upper. Okay. Now go back to poly mode and unselect this part. I hold Alt key and then deselect this part. Okay. This part is very enjoyable for you. Right click and click Bevel, and here change amount to negative value. Okay, just the smooth, just a little. Yes, and scale is good. And click plus button to make another bevel, make it more value and scale morely, and again click on plus. It's good. And upper and good. Okay, that's enough. It's become the body. The main part of this part become we made this part. I think it's just so good. Just it's good. And no, we want make upper and downer part smoothly. I just want show you easy way. Okay. Here I will select all of this smooths and then unselect these and these vertices. So do it for all of the part. I can do it like it. Be patient for this. Okay. I don't want in this work use a smooth modifier, and just want to show you basically way. Okay, it's not best way because the best way come have a little hard for you and may not learn. Okay, I put it up. Okay, now if you want to make it better, you can click these edges and use cut or connect. Okay, and do it. Okay, for all of these parts. For all of these. So I just do for one part, but you must do for all of these parts. Also, we have another way that I will show you now. Okay, I will unselect, deselect other vertices, and it's good. Okay, and now make it upper, and it's good. Okay, we do it. When you add material for your model, these polygons will be helpful because this is woodly column and it gives good feel. Of course, in your work you have you're far from your model, of course, and maybe you have many of these, so details will not be visible for the visitors in the final render, and of course and surely you have lower number of the polygons in your model and can work faster in your 3ds Max with per PCF also. Okay, I come back, and now for bottom part it's not necessary to do it. Here I just show you some way. Click element to select all of the column, slice plane, and move it to center of the column, center in the y-axis. Okay, and click slice, and then click on polygon, select this part, and click delete button. Yeah, delete it. Delete button, and now you can again click polygon and select this part and these parts too. I hold Ctrl K, okay, and delete it. Yes. Okay. Now use symmetry. Click on symmetry modifier and find good size for your model. Okay, and yes, that's great. Is it? Symmetry is my favorite modifier. You can modeling many objects with high quality. Again, symmetry, I use it again, and It's really funny. Great. Just enjoy. I must. Okay. If you want do it well, great. Don't delete the model and use it for your sizes. Okay, it's good. And again, I use symmetry, another symmetry. Symmetry here, and it's lost. Okay. And move it. It's so better to keep the main object and then work on it. I found problem here. Delete it, and my work become harder, but I will solve it. Don't worry. I will solve it. Okay. Now copy this model. Use Ctrl V button to copy the model, and then continue our work. Going to polygon model and select these and these. Polygon. Okay. Just select this part and click on delete button. This is copy. I freeze it to, or for make it better for you, I change the color of it to darker color. Okay. Okay. To understand that it's just for our reference, we will use it. We need it to this level. Now click on this part and select Symmetry modifier from the list and find the true axis to copy your model here. I use my reference to put the parts in true place. Okay, that's good, like that. If you delete this reference, your work will become hard. This is good. With this model way, you can make complex objects. I can show you some of these in my project. I can show you in this project, Shrine Theater, the larger render. Okay, I make these parts, for example, or this part, this lamp part, this part of the lamp, and this part with similar way that I show you. So you can make your project. So you can use this way to make complex projects or beauty projects. Don't worry, just try to enjoy your modeling and making up. So just try and start today. Have a nice time and enjoy with 3D world. And we'll see you back again in another tutorial too. You can find more tutorials in msitecheat.com. Have a nice time.